Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is how to make money on Upwork. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we back to our topic, how to make money on Upwork. The pay might not be high and Upwork takes its cut, but the marketplace is good for connecting with clients and building your portfolio. Firstly, we know what is Upwork. Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers in fields like writing, graphic design, and web development. The site helps professionals field projects, communicate with clients, and get paid. If you are new freelancer or working in a new field, you can rack up valuable experience without always having the pitch clients cold. But the site is full of new workers who are willing to take work for a lower rate, which can impact your earning potential. Overall, Upwork makes it easier to find jobs and make money online, but think carefully about which gigs you want to apply for and check out our guide to managing money as a freelancer for advice or on how to handle your newfound income once it starts rolling. Next is how to make money on Upwork. First one is set up a robust and honest profile. Your profile serves the same purpose as a general resume for prospective employer. You can't get work without one. Fill one the job type you like to do, the specific areas in which you are skilled and your level of expertise. This is all self-supported. Be honest, if you get hired for jobs you can deliver on your account, cold be put on hold or closed. After that, our headshot and detailed description of your background. You can include links to portfolio or the specific work in samples. You can also fill in your education, how many hours per week you can work, location and preferred rate. If you are not sure what to charge, check out the rates of other freelancers on Upwork who have similar experience. Number second is choose a membership plan. Upwork offers two membership plans for freelancers, Basic and Plus. First is Basic. This plan is free, but you shall pay to connect with potential clients. Freelancers on the Basic plan pay $0.15 for each connect. The platform's internet tokens, which are used to submit proposals for clients, you can roll over the 140 connects with every month. Second is Plus. This plan is $40.99 per month and include every month in the Basic plan as well as. Third one is Connect with employers. Use your connects to submit proposals for jobs in your wheelhouse. Proposals should include an introductory letter, your desired free and answers to questions to client induced in the posting. You can also send examples of any work you think would be relevant before applying for a gig. Get an idea of a potential employer's reputation, the Better Business Bureau. Next is fourth one is set your prices and start working. Upwork takes a cut of your earning. The fee structure is sliding scale based on the total amount you bill with the client over time. So the more you work with the client, the smaller the cut taken. You can expect Upwork to take 20% for the first $500 you bill a client. Next is you can get paid in 1 of 2 days, hourly or fixed price. Upwork fees are the same of both. Your hourly rate on Upwork is the price before the deduction. So if you list a rate of $20 per hour for your first gig, you can expect the earn $16 per hour after the 20% fee. Once you have billed $500 with the client, the fee drops to 10% and you would earn $18 per hour. Next five is get paid. Upwork freelancers can get secured payments via PayPal, direct deposit or wire transfer. All of your early projects are billed weekly. You shall get paid after you The client reviews the work 10 days after the billing period ends. If a project gets dropped before it finishes, that when early protection and milestones come to handy. If you think you were not compensated fairly, Upwork has a disrupt process. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.